Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So today, I've been going to do this for a while, but I just kept putting it off for various reasons. But I'm heading to Alicante, the old town area, right in the centre of the city. I've never been, but most people who have been seem to love it, so I'm looking forward to seeing it. Also, there's a marina with some of the most amazing boats, so I want to go down there and have a look. Thought I'd take you with me. Let's go onward and upward. A few interesting facts about this area. Did you know Alicante is home to tapas? In years gone by, they used to give travellers little recipes on a slice of bread as a welcome. Many people in Alicante speak Valenciano, which is a different language from Spanish. Alicante's on it's on the Costa Blanca, and believe it or not, the name Costa Blanca, invented by BAA Airline to promote flights to the area in the 50s. Benidorm, which is just up the road, first tourist destination to accept bikinis on the beach. And finally, 15% people who live in Alicante are foreigners. Right now, first things first, I need a car park. Google is saying there's only one in the area, which sounds a bit surprising, but I suppose she knows better. There's a large church that I was reading about I want to go and see today, and it's a big tourist attraction, so I'm hoping it's going to be open. Do that later. I'll just wait till she passes, and him, and her, and her, and her. Go! No! And her! Go! Google updates old tricks again, just loves narrow streets. I'm glad I'm not in the motorhome. I'll tell you, this is a hell of an effort to get to a car park. I think Google would have took me right main roads, but it rarely does. You know, considering that it's quite hard to get parked, I mean, I haven't drove past a single space at the side of the road. There's relatively little traffic on the roads for a city centre. There we are, car park at last. Oh no! No, it's full. It's full after all that. I'll just have to drive around to find somewhere to park the side of the road. I could park eventually, but it was no easy feat, let me tell you. Not very many car parks and definitely no parking spaces around the centre of Alicante. I suppose all cities are the same, but they could do with more car parks. Have a wee app, find your car, which is brilliant because it just brings you straight back to your car whenever you want to come home. I used to get lost a lot. I think the area that it drove through was the old town, and it didn't look very nice. We'll see. It's a 15-minute walk from here. Wonderful day, lovely temperature. This looks a bit more like it. The whole time I've been in Spain, I've come up to a load of these old buildings and churches or religious buildings, and I'd love to go in and have a look, but they've all been closed every time. Restaurants, brilliant. I love places like this, just a great atmosphere, great vibe, lovely smells. Cheers. Although I've only arrived, haven't had a good meal out in a while. Decided, bit of energy, get a meal in me. First place I decided to sit down at does my favourite food, which is lamb chops, which I shouldn't really eat because I like lambs. Unfortunately they're tasty, sorry. This is the church or basilica that I've been looking for. It's the Basilica of Santa Maria, and it's the oldest church in Alicante and said to be the most beautiful. Please be open. Closed. It has a beautiful front anyway. The existing building was a mosque built over, as apparently in Spain a lot of churches are built on old mosques. Just heard one of my wee friends. You hear it? Buzzing away for the first time in maybe 2 weeks. I haven't heard anything. Thought they were gone. Saying that he's right in the, there's no air here and he's right in the sun. That is the Castillo or Castle de la Santa Barbara, which I was reading it was built in the 10th century and it's the largest fortress in Europe. So at some point I wanna make a video there, but I'm not going to do it today because it's first of all it's very high and I haven't really got enough time. So I'm going to come back someday and hopefully make a better job of it than I would if I rushed it. That was the old town, as much of it as I found anyway. So I want to go down to the Marina, have a look around, it looks fantastic. Don't know why I've always liked marinas. Fancy one of those big expensive boats. Whenever I arrived I googled car parks near me, which is this area. And one came up, but since I've been out walking there's hundreds of them. So I checked Google again, still only shows the one. I suppose it depends on exactly what you ask. So it looks nice here, but I couldn't find somewhere to park. So I'm in a car park that I'm not really meant to be in. That's alright, nobody about. So I was going to go for a walk through the boats and look at all the boats, but couldn't get to it. Whenever I went around there was a key card you needed to get in. So I'll just put my drone up, have a look around. They were right about Alicante. Such a lovely place, great atmosphere. I hope you enjoyed that wee tour of I don't live too far from Alicante, it's maybe only 40 minutes. So I'm going to head back. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, thumbs up would be great. Subscription would be even better. Comments would be even better. But until next time, bye for now.